Hello, my name is Richard, and I'm going to show you how you can easily set up an appointment on the GetSkinHelp website. First, take a few pictures of the skin condition in question using your phone's camera. Now I'm lucky. I don't have any moles or lesions that I'm concerned about, so I'll use this little freckle near my knee instead. Now make sure to take 3 pictures. One that's up close, one that has a coin to give context as to the size, and one that includes another body part to help the doctor know exactly where on your body it can be found. Now most importantly, make sure the pictures are in focus. A trick I use is to put my camera on a 3-second timer to make it easier to stabilize the phone. Second, go to GetSkinHelp.com, find the Get Started drop-down menu, and click on Book Now. Scroll down a little and fill in your patient details, and upload your pictures. Then click Next. So much like seeing a doctor for the first time in an actual clinic, here you need to fill out a medical history. This is absolutely vital for your doctor. The more they know about you, the more they can give you an informed diagnosis. So please be as thorough as possible. We also give you the option to tell us where you'd like your prescription to be sent if the doctor thinks you need one, or if you want to keep your family doctor informed if you have one. Lastly are the terms of use. Click Submit and you'll receive an email with your appointment details in about 4 to 5 days. It takes that long because, as it turns out, GetSkinHelp is a hit. We launched less than a year ago and we're flooded with Canadians who want medical attention through virtual means. We're currently upgrading our operations though to serve you better and quicker. In fact, we will soon be launching our app, which will feature a scheduler where you will be able to choose a date and time for appointments that best suits your busy schedule. When was the last time you told a doctor when you could see them? So stop waiting and get that skin condition checked out today at GetSkinHelp.com.